Well,
I mean, I've heard of fishing boats and bass boats and John boats. What's a workboat?
Well, it's
just like it sounds.
Yeah, just like it sounds. We have two main types that we make. One is a landing craft. So it's got a door on the front, right on the bow, so you can, easily get people in and out, get equipment in and out, land on the shore, and kind of go straight to the land.
Like Normandy. Isn't that what we had?
Yeah, basically. Yeah. Just like that.
U-boats or whatever they were.
So who would be a good client that would purchase like a workboat?
Again, everything that we make is kind of geared towards the oil spill industry. So, you've got large vehicles, ATVs, you have a lot of equipment that needs to be brought in and off the boat. Stepping over, the wall is not safe or convenient. So it's good for that. And then we have another one called the Inlander. And we designed and built this boat just from being on scene at many spills and seeing these guys in these John boats, these fiberglass John boats dealing with these heavy anchors and watching that water line just, oh boy, they're going to sink that thing. So we built this thing as just a workhorse. And that's why we've got a horse for the logo, because it's just a plow horse. This thing is a stud in the water.
Yeah.
And it's been really successful for us. And we have the capability to custom build it to suit the needs of the client. We've built one for some guys down in Kentucky for Asian carp fishing.
Oh, wow.
And we built one that has a full enclosed wheelhouse for some places in colder regions so they can get a heater in there. We had a client recently ask for one, just the hull. We built him just the hull, and he built a full, tiny house on this thing.
Oh, cool.
And I guess
Was his name Noah?
I don't remember where he's from, but it was a pretty cool looking boat, and it's a cool concept to see a tiny house on one of our custom boats. But again, that goes back to our capabilities. How almost everything that we build there is custom. It's rare that we'll have a vacuum system or a boat and someone calls and they're like, "I'll have the vacuum system A, please." It's not how it works. They've got a specific purpose they need this thing for, and they tell us what it is, and we'll build it like that.
See, why can't more companies be like this? They go down there, they see people run around on John boats, and they're like, boy, that would work a lot better if we had this, this, and this, and you guys just come back home and make it happen.
Well,
you know what I mean? You see a need for something, and you design it.
And that's one of the reasons our product line just keeps growing. Is it's a combination of a void we might see in the market and feedback we get from clients. We've had tons of revisions on our existing equipment based on client feedback. So it's always good to hear that and know where we can kind of improve and make our products better.